This simple two-indicator strategy for TradingView helps you find high-probability entries on the 5-minute chart. No complex rules, no guesswork. Let's build it in the next 60 seconds. First, let's add our two free indicators. Go to the Indicators tab. Search for Adaptive Price Zone Oscillator. Click the one by Quant-Algo. Next, search for Adaptive Trend Flow. Again, choose the one by Quant-Algo. Change the main length to 14. Change the smoothing length to 21. Click OK. The setup is complete. Now for the simple rules. The rules for a sell trade are simple. 3 checks. Check. 1. A red sell signal appears from the trend flow indicator. Check 2. The candle after the signal confirms the move. It must be a bearish red candle. Check 3. Look down. The price zone oscillator line must be red. If you have all 3, the trade is valid. Here, a buy signal appears. Check 1. A green confirmation candle. Check 2. The oscillator is green. Check 3. We enter the long position. Stop loss below the line. Target is set. Remember, no strategy is 100% perfect. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always backtest any strategy before using real capital. If this video helped you, drop a like to support the channel. Subscribe for more straight-to-the-point strategies like this one. Thanks for watching.